This is the shot of a bathroom. Now I'm on video and we get a nice wide angle shot. We try and show all pieces of the bathroom. So I'm stood right at the door, but I've closed the door. In fact, let's see if I can open it and get a wider shot. Because I'm trying to get the widest shot I possibly can in the bathroom. So there's the door look, and I can't open it any further than that. That's the widest shot of the bathroom. And what I'm trying to do is show all three pieces of porcelain. Now if I take this lens off and show a normal shot of the bathroom, you'll see what it looks like in a second, because that's a normal iPhone shot. So I can't get a very good interpretation of the bathroom or all the shots. So a wide angle lens lets you get, and a 10mm lens lets you get the whole bathroom in. This is actually a difficult bathroom to shoot. So you've got to make sure that you're using a 10mm lens or a wide angle lens. A 10mm is known as the room lens because you get a lot wider angle on it. So that's the 10mm lens. Try that with your bathrooms and you'll get a lot wider shot.